how to fix chat lock option not showing on WhatsApp. So if you want to fix chat lock option not showing on WhatsApp, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your WhatsApp application and go with a chat. And under your chat, you just need to simply go with the upper right, which has that three dots, and tap on more. Or go with the profile, which is on the upper side. Tap on the profile of that person, and if you scroll down here, you will have the chat lock option, which says lock and hide this chat on this device. So you'll be able to have the chat lock option right here. But if you don't find this option, then what you need to do is first check your internet connection, and then you just need to simply tap and hold on to your WhatsApp application. Go with the app info. Once you're under the app info, you need to go with storage and cache, and after that you need to tap on clear cache, and you can also go with clear storage. Once you've cleared your cache and your storage, now you just need to simply go back and make sure that you've allowed all of the permissions like call logs, camera, contacts, location, microphone, music and audio, notifications, phone, photos and videos, SMS, and everything. Once you've allowed all of the permissions, now you just need to simply open up your Play Store, go with search. Under search, you need to search for WhatsApp. And here, if you have any updates under your WhatsApp, then you just need to simply go and update the application. Once you've updated, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix chat lock option not showing on your WhatsApp. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.